Is there a reason your conveyor isn't running?
Yewena kwere. Yini unenkinga nami?
Don't call me that.
Oh what? Yini osoyenza ngalokho? Yini la. Ngizokubiza nanoma yini into engifuna ukukubiza yona. Wena kwere ndini uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini? Yazi kufanele usebenzise ubunyundululu nobuthakatha obunyama buyalekini le emakwerekwereni. Ingakho uthole lesi sikhundla sala emsebenzini wena dodi. Lalela la. Mina lo uThomas angisoze ngayilalela imithetho nemiyalo yekwerekwere.
You know what your problem is, huh? You South Africans think you are better Africans than the rest of us. Look, when I look at you, Thomas, I see myself, a brother from another mother. We didn't come here for vacation. Where we come from, it's very hard. Yes, call me Makwerkwere if you want, but look, Thomas, you and me are the same. Black African. Even animals migrate from one place to another to survive, my brother.
Yewena dodi womnyundululu. Lalela ungangilinge mina ungibisa ubhuti wakho wena.
No, you cannot do that to him, Thomas. That's inhumane.
Dinewo. Yazi lezinto lezi angizazi ukuthi ibizwane. Ngi-immune mina kulezi zinto lezi. Ngiyawanyanya, ngiyawazonda amakwerekwere. Wena nje into ezokusiza wena Rafanyela. Kuzokusiza ukuthi upake ikhwama zakho ezamashangane lezi ubuyele kwelakini. Ngoba yiki indawo yakho la. Ubuyelele.
What the hell is going on here? Thomas is fighting me for not doing his job. Did I just hear you call Makwerekwere in my workplace? No, we respect each other, yeah? No, take your arrogance. No, take your stuff and leave immediately. No, excuse me, leave.